knew who I need. When he picked you from the others, he could already see that you would be my hero and everything I'd wanna be. When God made you my father, he was being good to me. I come to you with all my secrets, and you never ever judge. And when I'm falling in my weakness, you give me strength to stand back up. No amount of miles could separate us, no place where I don't feel your love. You say I'm the gift that heaven gave you, but Daddy, I'm the lucky one. So when God made you my father, he knew who I need. When he picked you from the others, he could